Hello, YouTube channel. Sorry if it's really echoey and sorry if you can hear like in the background like the dryer because the dryer is going right now. So I'm currently I've barricaded myself in the bathroom of my apartment that nobody uses so no one can hear me crying if this goes really, really bad. But I've been thinking about this for a while and I think today's the day. I think I'm going to cut all my hair off. So I guess I will provide a bit of a backstory, if you will. So for people who know me personally and in real life will kind of know that there's this weird thing with my hair. I've always kind of been really like insecurely attached to my hair because I felt like my hair was kind of, in a way, it was kind of my security blanket. I always felt like I was really ugly, and if anyone ever complimented me on anything, it was always my hair. So I thought, you know, if I have really nice hair, then I will be less ugly. And I always felt like I was fat, so I was like, well, if I have longer hair, then it can cover like my fatness, if you will. And I just realized like how bad that sounds saying that out loud. But yeah, that's just kind of been like my whole life. Since I was a little kid, I've always just had this weird thing with my hair. And I think it was about like 10 years ago now or something like that. I had a really like shitty experience with a haircut where he just cut it way too short. And ever since then I'm like, no, you know what? I'm gonna figure this out. I'm going to cut my own hair. And so a few botched haircuts later, here we are. I've been cutting my own hair for 8 years now. I recently, well, you guys know because I have a YouTube video that actually reached 600,000 views, which is like blows my mind. I can't believe that 600,000 people actually watched that video. So thank you very much. Where I was using these, so these are the Conair clips, and I bought them in 2012. I've been using them ever since to cut my own hair. And people will always ask me like, oh, who does your hair? And like, I don't know if they're saying that to make fun of me because my hair looks like shit, or if they actually mean it. So yeah, I've been using these for, and I say these because there's two of them. There's a little one for bangs and then a big one for the back of your hair. So I've been doing that for the past, since 2012, since I posted that video. So if you are interested, you can watch that video. I will link it somewhere down below or like in this video. So here goes nothing. I just feel that today's the day. Today's the day I feel like I don't have to hide behind my hair anymore, I guess. Like, I don't feel like my hair is what makes me pretty. I've had enough. I feel like now is the time, as I've gotten older and wiser, I just feel like my hair has kind of run its course. And that being said, I am donating my hair. I'm donating it to Pantene Beautiful Lengths, so it can help someone else more than me now. So anyways, they will be accepting hair until December 31st. So if you haven't donated, now is the time, because they won't be accepting hair after December 31st because they've had so much synthetic hair now that it actually like overrides real hair. So they don't need real hair anymore to make wigs that look real. So if you've always wanted to donate, I would definitely consider donating. It will like change somebody's life. Like, my hair, like I said, has made me feel beautiful for years. And some people who don't have hair, they don't get to feel that. And they feel insecure, they feel sad. Like, people get depressed over stuff like that. So if you can, I would highly suggest donating your hair. So here we go. This is like the length of it right now. It's to like my hips, and then the back it's like this. I couldn't even really tell you. Yeah, like I couldn't even really tell you like what my haircut is. So that's why I suggest like watching my other video. It's like in a V shape. This used to be like bangs, and they've grown out, so it's just kind of like a mess. So I guess I will start by doing this. So I have to kind of like lean down, and I guess I'll just sit because so you can see me better. I'm in the bathroom that nobody uses, so there's not like a whole lot of room down here, but it is what it is. So, yeah, the first thing that I will do is straighten my hair just so that it's completely straight before I start cutting it or doing anything to it. So, I'll take this off. The way that I do this, yes, I am sitting on a toilet. The seat's down though, in case anybody was wondering. So I'm not gonna like show you this entire thing, but I'll show you some of it. I just sectioned my hair like loosely. I don't do anything. This is the I showed this before. This is the QT Performance flat iron. I've had it for 4 years. It's like a salon quality one that like I said, I've been using it for years. I love it. It's very expensive. I think it was like $200, but well worth it if you straighten your hair a lot. And I know I'm gonna get shit in the comments that says, why didn't you put heat protectant on before you did this? I believe that the hair has to be product free when you donate it, for one, and for two, I don't want to give my hair any like false weight with product in it, because like I said, if it gives it a little bit of false weight and then it's not actually that long. So that's kind of why, like, when I curl my hair, I don't ever use heat protectant in it. And I could be completely like pulling that out of my ass, but like just in my experience of like having to do my hair, every time I've used heat protectant or something, it's always just kind of like weighed my hair down, and it's never actually been beneficial. And I'm out of breath for some reason. This is like, I'm actually really, really nervous to do this. This is not like, this is like not like an easy thing for me to do. So, but again, I just feel that it's necessary at this stage in my life. I feel like my hair has served its purpose now. I'm gonna take like a comb like this, and I feel like I need to do this in the camera so you can see. But I'm going to like part it in the middle-ish. Oh, Natalie, this is such a bad idea. Okay. My heart is actually beating so, like I'm so scared. It's just hair. It's just hair. It's just hair. It's just hair. Okay. Okay. This isn't even. Oh my god. I can't even part my hair right. This is it. So I'm taking my, like, these are special hair cutting scissors, by the way, so I would suggest getting these if you are cutting your hair all the time. Okay. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Bismillah. Oh my god! I can't believe I actually did it! Oh my god. Oh my god, I've never had, it's been so long since I've had my hair like this. Like, I don't even remember having it like this. It feels so weird. Okay, now for the other side. Oh my god. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I did this. Oh, it's so short. Oh my god. But I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Oh my god. I don't hate it. I actually think it looks cute. It's a new look. Like I feel, oh, my head just feels like different. Okay, so now, oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to be doing this. So I'm going to fix it up and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so like I said, okay, I'll just like sit this way so you can see what I'm doing. So like I did before, I'm going to split it like this. Okay. And then I'm going to put this here. And what I do, essentially, you just clip it. You make sure that the bubble is in the middle for balance, so that means that it's even. And then I'm going to drag it down so that's even. And then I'm going to cut into it this way so that it's, well, I have to like get that one piece. I'm going to cut into it that like point cutting it because I want it to not look so like straight. So that makes sense. Okay. So I'm going to stand up to do this. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. This just makes it like less blunt, I suppose. Makes sense? I gotta clean up all this hair. So I think, I don't know, it doesn't look even. Oh my god, this is not even. I might need like one of my roommates to help me so I can see the back. I don't know. Oh, good job, Natalie Marie. This is great. Okay. I gotta like check the back and see how crooked it is. Oh my god, it's crooked. Oh, Natalie Marie, this was such a bad idea. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? The problem is that I can't like see the back, so I don't want to keep cutting it. Does it look straight to you? I don't know. There's no one here to tell me it does. Or doesn't. I might need help. This is a problem. Because I don't want to go, I don't want to go any shorter, because I feel like this is drastic enough. Like, look, that's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. Oh boy. Well, I'm gonna figure this out. Might need someone to cut the back for me straight, because I can't see. So I'm gonna probably wait for my roommate to come home so she can help me. But yeah. It's gone. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.